Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amanda Turner and I'm a real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. Today we're taking a look at 3 properties, all in the price range of $374,000 US dollars to $419,000 US dollars. But before we get started, I just want to say if you are looking to buy or sell in the Lake Chapala area, you can contact me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com. If you're looking to buy and you're not in the area, you can email me and I can send you some listings over. We can plan your trip down here. If you are in the area and you're looking to buy, we can go on tour. If you are looking to sell, I can come over and do a free opinion of value and market analysis for you so that you can get an idea of what your home can sell for in the current market. If you are planning a trip down here, you can stay at our bed and breakfast located in Ajijic Centro, which also has our cafe attached to it. The bed and breakfast is called Estrellita's and it's located right in the center of town. It's a block away from pretty much everything, the lake, the plaza, all of it. Cafe is open to the public every single day, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. We have organic coffee, pastries from the French bakery, and really good Wi-Fi, super cozy seating areas that it's kind of attached to the bed and breakfast. So it's like 2 in 1, you know what I'm saying? Both businesses won Best of Lake Chapala for Best Bed and Breakfast and Best Coffee for the last 2 years, and voting for this year has commenced. So here's the website if you want to vote for us. We are under travel and lodging and dining and restaurants. We would super appreciate your vote, so thank you. And if you want more information on either of those businesses, you can go to my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you'll find a link to the bed and breakfast, the cafe. You'll also find a link to mine and my real estate partner, Jose Roque's listings that are on the MLS. And if you want to look at more homes that we have on inventory, you can just back out of that and go into the search feature for the Chapala MLS. First home we're looking at today is located in West Ajijic, and this one's super cute. You actually walk into a gate where I think there's only one other home in this complex, but this one is also there and it's a new build, so it's cute. Nice little neighborhood, nice restaurants near this house, everything. So there's actually the French bakery that we order our pastries from is actually located right up the street from this place too. So probably shouldn't have told you that because I would have been pissed off because I'd be there every day eating and gaining 100 pounds per day. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's go check it out. Okay, guys, casa numero uno is listed for $374,000 US dollars. It's a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 150 square meters or 1,619 square feet. The lot size is 321 square meters or 3,453 square feet. The HOA is 700 pesos per month. It comes unfurnished and it's located in West Ajijic. The first house on our tour today is located right here. As I said, it's a new build, so we're not seeing it in this Google Maps image shot. But if we zoom out, you will see that we are located in West Ajijic. So here's the house here. And Ajijic Centro is located... Let me come over here just a little bit. Right here. Here's the Plaza to Ajijic. Okay, so here's our house right here. And just so you know, this street goes all the way up to the highway. This is the main highway that leads you all the way to Chapala or all the way to Joco. And near you, you have quite a bit. Casa Linda restaurant is very delicious. And on Tio Domingo, you have the Corazon de Malta, which is a brewery right here. That French bakery that I was telling you about is right here. La Fiesta is a new restaurant. I've heard very good things. I have not been myself, but I've heard some pretty good things. And the Lake Chapala Farmers Market is located right here that you could most definitely walk to. You can go through the neighborhood or you can go up here to the carretera and just walk down there. And that's every Tuesday. And that's like an organic farmers market. If you were to drive from this house to Ajijic Centro, it would take you 12 minutes to get there. And if you were to walk, it would take you 26 minutes. You can go through the neighborhood or go up here. And then someone asked me in my comments in my last video how long it would take to ride a bicycle on the new bike path that we have here that goes all the way from Joco to Chapala, by the way. It would take you 8 minutes to ride into Ajijic Centro. Let's say you wanted to go over to Chapala Centro, it would be a 26-minute drive, and it would take you 49 minutes to get to Guadalajara International Airport, and 1 hour, 12 minutes to get to the Costco in Guadalajara. Okay, second house we're looking at today is actually a very modern build. So if that is your style, this house is one of those. It's great. It's beautiful. It's also a new build. And my favorite part about it is the upstairs area. This house is in the same neighborhood from, I think it was it my last video or the video before? But anyway, where the upstairs is, like, I really love the upstairs. It can be converted into a whole separate living space. You can add a kitchen up there. There's a kitchen actually on the mirador, but if you want to do an indoor kitchen, there's plenty of space for that. So, and the view is excellent, and it was the perfect overcast day when we went to go see this house, and I love overcast days. So let's go check this house out. Casa numero dos is listed for $384,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom on 2 levels. Actually, I do believe there are 2 half baths on this property. The construction size is 235 square meters or 2,524 square feet. The lot size is 351 square meters or 3,781 square feet. The HOA is 500 pesos per month. That comes to about $30 US. It does not come furnished, and it's located in San Juan, Cosala. And just a little tidbit of information, if you do not work in square meters, if you don't know what that converts to in square feet, all you have to do is multiply the square meters by 10.8 and you get the square feet. So you could pretty much do that in your head, just add a little bit on there for the 0.8, just multiply that number by 10 and then add a little for the 0.8. But yeah, that's basically the gist. Second home we're looking at is located right here, and if we zoom out, you will see that we are in a development right next to the Racket Club right here, just to give you an idea. So if you've been watching my videos or anybody else's videos, you'll know that the Racket Club is located in San Juan Cosala, and San Juan Cosala is really well known for having geothermal waters. All the homes in the Racket Club have geothermal water that gets pumped into them, so that's very nice, has really good healing properties. There's a thermal water spa here called Monte Cosala. That one's the best one. It's beautiful. And then there's one down here on the lake that is actually the most common one that people mostly go to. Around this area, you have the town of San Juan Cosala, so you can go shopping through here. And then a couple of great restaurants in the Rocket Club here. Like there is, Monte Cosala has their own restaurant in here called Chaclan, and you also have Vita Bella Spa Hotel and restaurant here too, which is beautiful and has an excellent view of the lake. And just for fun, I wanted to see how long it would take to get to Monte Costa Spa, and it would take you 9 minutes driving. So you would come here, and this is the entrance to Racket Club, and so you just let them know that you're going over to Monte Costa, and they will let you in there. And then Thermal Costa is the one that I was talking about that's down by the lake that has a lake view that most people go to. If you were to drive from this house to Ajijic Centro, it would take you 20 minutes. And driving from this house to Guadalajara International Airport would be a 57-minute drive. And this is a Thursday at 6 p.m., so there's a bit of traffic through here. Okay, third home that we're looking at today is in La Floresta, which is just east of Ajijic Centro. And La Floresta is a highly desired gated community. It doesn't have a manned gate guard, but it's a pretty big development. So, I mean, there are many entrances to it, and it kind of goes into Ajijic Centro too without actually having to leave the gated community. It has a suburban type feel, wide streets, the cobblestones are in great shape, so people love this neighborhood. It's very lush with a lot of trees, a lot of greenery. So let's go see it. Casa número 3 is listed for $419,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 131 square meters or 1,410 square feet. The lot size is 351 square meters or 3,778 square feet. The HOA is about 5,500 pesos per year. It comes furnished, and it's located in La Floresta in Ajijic. Third home we are checking out today is located right here in the super lush La Floresta. Look at all this greenery through here. Oh, it's so beautiful. And these are ficus trees right in the middle of the streets, and they're ginormous. And they're kind of like, see, here's one here. They kind of pop up everywhere. This one's huge. Okay, anyway, so you'll see that we're in Lower La Floresta. Here, this area is Lower La Floresta here. This is Upper La Floresta here. Not too much of a difference other than the fact that if you live down here in Lower La Floresta, you can easily walk to pretty much anything. You can walk to anything here, but you've got to cross the carretera, and so you've got to choose the right spot to cross because it gets pretty busy through here and everything too. So what's really cool about La Floresta, besides everything that I've already pointed out, is that it's super close to Ajijic and everything going on in here, but it's a very quiet neighborhood. Ajijic's pretty loud. There's a lot going on. It's a small city basically. But this area is very suburban, no businesses throughout. It's very nice. And then you can even walk over to Walmart. I'm sure it would just take you 10 minutes to walk over to Walmart. And then there's a mall right here with a food court, movie theater, everything. You got a gas station here. And this road leads you up to Guadalajara or Chapala. This road leads you to Chapala. And of course, this is the main highway that cuts through all the towns and can go all the way to Joco. All right, driving driving to Ajijic Centro from this house would take you 8 minutes, and if you were to walk, it'd be 20 minutes. And while I know that not everybody's a fan of Walmart, if you needed to do your grocery shopping, you can go there. There are definitely other options. You can go into Ajijic to do some grocery shopping if you wanted to. But walking there would be 14 minutes. Driving would be 3 minutes. And driving to the airport from this house, you're a little bit closer than the last house, so it would be about a 40-minute drive. Again, you're hitting a little bit of traffic, afternoon rush hour traffic through there. All right, guys, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some insight. Again, if you are looking to buy or sell in the Lake Chapala area, you can contact me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com. And I will see you guys for the next video. Bye.